Got my version 0 of my circuit board designed for the Ghost board, and got some very, very basic software written for it. Kind of scroll through the menu items. We can detect all the sensors. That's kind of the same as what I was doing before, just reading them all. You can have the sensors give you yes-no responses, kind of a binary response, so you can ask the spirit questions. Don't have that one working yet. I've got one sensor, so you can go through one sensor at a time and look at them and set up. We'll look at one sensor. That's the one I've gotten written so far. Move into that menu item, and it shows the right sonic sensor. So if I put my hand over here, I can get the lights to light up. And we can scroll through left, back, all 4 sensors. And EMF. This will detect changes in EMF, but you can also do the same thing by just tipping the board, since it's kind of a magnetic compass. You can also look at the pressure sensor to determine whether a spirit is converting pressure into energy to create a gateway. The pressure sensor does that. And there's a cold spot sensor here. If you can heat it up a little bit by touching it. For some reason it doesn't heat up very well. Visibility, that's the humidity sensor. If I breathe on it, I can get it to go up a little bit or down. There's up. Luminescence is the amount of brightness. If I make it darker, brighter. And the last one is sound. Kind of clap and kind of make this one move. And that's it for now.